With the DMV under a winter storm warning, preparations are well underway, especially in the district. The D.C. Department of Public Works is already hard at work preparing the roads. Right now, 5 crews are in the midst of a 12-hour shift, treating the roads with a solution that's made out of salt water and beet juice.
Supervisors say that solution helps it to stick to the concrete even if temperatures drop below zero. Now, if you notice a brownish color on D.C. roads, that is why. In Maryland, crews use salt only, which is why roads there look white. And despite the long hours, Supervisor LaRon Bennett says that the work is worth it to keep the district residents safe.
Well, a lot of the guys that work the snow, they look at it as a positive sacrifice because we're saving lives potentially. So when you put that component in and you look at the obligation, it's more than satisfying, especially when we don't have fatalities or negative circumstances. I get excited for it. The only difficulty is when we have too many people on the road. So that's one thing I would say. This is pretty much an emergency stance that we're going to be taking. So if people can stay home and we have a chance to really clean the roads, we'll create safe conditions that everybody will appreciate.
And we can't emphasize this enough. When you see these trucks on the road, give them plenty of space, at least 2 car lengths.